Hi, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to announce our 2017 Yamaha R6 STG project bike. Over the years, I've done a lot of project bikes here at STG. I love doing it, no question. And when the new R6 came out, you bet your ass I wanted to do a project bike on it, but I had one big problem. I'm too old and fat and lazy to ride a 600 anymore. I have to have a 1000. I don't even want to hang off the bike. I basically sit in the middle of the seat, corner camp, and straightaway blast, baby. That's how I'm doing it from here on out. So I had to find somebody that was willing to donate their R6 so I could build it as a project bike. We were able to find one of our local customers, Ryan, that was willing to leave his bike here over the winter for a couple of months so I could take and transform this from a stock street machine to a kick-ass street bike that you could also take and do track days on. So we're trying to do something that's really practical for everybody, right? Street riding plus some track days where you take the motorcycle and ride it in its proper environment. Some of the highlights, you've probably already seen the M4 exhaust. We did that. We did a servo eliminator, a couple little things we've done before I had this idea. Next up, Spiegler stainless steel brake lines. We got a Yosh fender eliminator. I've got Hot Bodies race body work, a Hot Bodies carbon fiber front fender, and I've got a whole metric ton of kick-ass driven racing parts coming. There's more, okay? This is just where it starts. We're gonna build this just like it was one of our own, but come the end of winter, when the snow thaws and the roads are dry, Ryan gets to come pick up a kick-ass STG project bike modded street machine. Okay, this project's a little bit different than the ones we've done before. I gotta take what I would normally do in one full season, and I gotta pack that into about 2 months. So, keep your eye on our page, keep your eye on our channel. You should see new videos, as long as Video Steve's on top of it, once a week until this R6 is done.